Hi superheroes, I know that you're having a great day. I'm sorry I forgot to tell you I was going to be out, but I know that you're going to make me proud, and I'm going to see a great note when I get back on Monday. Okay, so we're going to learn about using the fewest amount of coins to make change, because for example here, 88 cents, you wouldn't want a cashier to give you 88 pennies. You wouldn't want a cashier to give you 8 dimes and 8 pennies. That's 16 coins in your pocket. That's too much. It gets too heavy and then you jingle jangle anywhere you walk. So we're going to learn how to do it using not so many coins. So let's say I have 88 cents. Okay, so you're doing this in your journal as we do it together on the board. So 88 cents. So if I want to use not a lot of coins, then I should probably use coins that have a large value. Okay, so I'm going to start by thinking about a quarter. Is there enough in the 88 cents for me to use 1 quarter? Yeah, because 1 quarter is 25, so I'm going to take off 25 cents. That's 1 quarter. I'm going to keep my stack over here. Okay, so 8 minus 5 is 3, 8 minus 2 is 6. So we have 63 cents left. Do I have enough money in 63 cents to use another quarter? Why, yes, I do. There's a second quarter. So I'm going to take off another 25 cents. Okay, I can't do the subtraction there, so I have to regroup. 13 minus 5 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. So far I have 2 quarters, and I need 38 cents. I have 38 cents left to make. Is that enough to let me use another quarter? Well, if a quarter is 25, 38 is more than 25, so yes, I can use another quarter. So I'm going to take off another 25. Now I have 13 cents left that I have to account for. Can I add any more quarters? Well, I know that 1 quarter is worth 25, which is more than 13, so I can't add any more quarters. However, I have other coins I can use. So I'm going to go to the next biggest value, which is a dime. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Can I use any dimes? Well, if I have 13 cents, I certainly can use a dime that's worth 10 cents. So 1 dime, and I have 3 cents left. And hopefully we know that 3 cents we can only make using 3 pennies. So in our journal, we're going to write down that we have 3 of the quarters, 1 dime, no nickels, and 3 pennies. And that's the fewest amount of coins that I can use to make 88 cents. Okay, so if you don't want to use a lot of coins, then you need to have the coins have a big value. And you want to use the coins that have the biggest values first. Okay, number 2, 95 cents. Well, you could give me 95 pennies, but I would not like you very much if you gave me 95 pennies, because that's so many coins. You could give me 9 dimes and 5 pennies, but that's 14 coins. That's a lot of coins. You could give me 19 nickels. That's still a lot of coins. So I want to know, how can I make it using less coins? So in order to get less coins, I need those coins to be worth a lot. So we're going to start with the biggest value coin. The coin that is worth the most is my quarter, 25 cents. I need to figure out how much do I have left that I need to figure out how to make. So I have 70 cents I have left to make. Can I use another quarter? I certainly can, because a quarter is only 25. So if I take off a quarter, then I'm left with 45 cents left to make. So far I'm at 2 quarters and 45 cents to go. Well, I know 45 is bigger than a quarter, so I can add another quarter to my mix. Okay, so now I've used 3 quarters and I still have 20 cents that I need to figure out how to make. Well, I can't use any more quarters because a quarter is 25 cents. So I'm going to go to the next biggest value, which is my dime. Well, I know a dime is worth 10, so I know that 2 dimes must be worth 20. So I'm going to make sure that that works. That's all I need. And I'm left with 0 cents. So in order to make 95 cents, I can use 3 quarters. That gives me 75 cents, 85, 95. So 3 quarters and 2 dimes will make, 95 cents. That sounds a lot better than 19 nickels or 95 pennies or 9 dimes and a nickel. Okay, so the goal is to use the biggest value coins in order to make you not jingle jangle. Okay, because if you have a lot of coins, you jingle jangle and it's heavy in your purse or in your pocket to carry around. Okay, last example, and then I'm going to have you do some. So 65 cents. 65 cents. So I do not want 6 dimes and a nickel. That's 7 coins. That's a lot of coins. I don't want 65 pennies. That's a lot. I don't want 13 nickels. That's too many coins for me to have in my pockets. So I'm going to use the biggest valued coins to figure out how few I can use. So if I have 65, can I use a quarter? I certainly can. I'm going to take off 25 cents. And I'm left with 40 cents. So far I have used 1 quarter and I have 40 cents left to go. If I have 40 cents, could I use another quarter? Well, sure. A quarter is only 25. So I'm figuring out now how much do I still have left to make. So I'm down to 15 cents. Can I use another quarter? I cannot. Why not? Why can't I use another quarter? Well, a quarter is worth 25 cents, so that would be too much. So I'm going to go to the next biggest value. The next biggest value is a dime. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So I have 5 cents left to make. Can I use another dime? No, because a dime is worth 10 and I only need 5 cents left. So I'm going to go to my next biggest coin, which is my nickel. Whoops, that's not my nickel. There's my nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5. I know that. So I'm seeing now how much do I have left over. I have 0 left to pay. And I've used 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 1 nickel, which is a lot better than 65 pennies. A lot lighter too. Okay, now with your partner, I would like you to work in your journal to do these 3 problems. I would like you to make 59 cents in 7 coins, 76 cents in 4 coins, and 32 cents in 4 coins. Okay, use the same strategy, figure out use the biggest value coins, figure out how much money you have left, and keep adding those biggest value coins. So pause the video, and then when you finish, we'll watch the end of the video to see if you got the answers correct. Okay. 59 cents and 7 coins. So I'm thinking, all right, I want the biggest values, so I'm going to take some quarters. Well, I know 1 quarter is 25. That gives me 34. I can use another quarter because a quarter is only 25. So I can use another quarter, no problem. And I have 9 cents to go. So there are 2 quarters. 9 cents. I can't use a quarter because a quarter is 25. Can I use a dime? Well, I can't use a dime because a dime is 10, which is too much. So I'm going to go to my nickel. Can I use a nickel? Well, a nickel is only 5 cents. so I bet I can use a nickel. And I have 4 cents left. And I know that 4 cents can only be made using pennies. So I now have 4 pennies. Ew. So 2 quarters, 1 nickel, 4 pennies gives me 59 cents. That's a lot better than 59 pennies. Okay, the next one, 76 cents in 4 coins. Well, 76 cents seems like a lot, but it's a good thing I have coins that are worth a lot of money. So 76 cents. I know that I'm going to have to start with my quarter. And I'm going to have 51 cents remaining. That's enough. I can add another quarter. I'm going to take away another quarter. And I have 26 remaining. Can I use another quarter? I sure can, because a quarter is 25. So that means I have 1 cent left. 1 cent is my penny. So 3 quarters and 1 penny gives us 76 cents. Again, start with your biggest value coins and subtract off until you figure out how to make the very last bit of the money. So 32 cents is our last one, and we were doing that in 4 coins. So do I have enough money there to use 1 quarter? I do, because a quarter is 25. So how much money do I still need to make after I use my quarter? I still need to make 7 cents. Well, can I use a quarter to make 7 cents? No, that's silly, because a quarter is 25. Well, can I use a dime? A dime is worth 10. So can I use a dime for this? No, because it's too much. Can I use a nickel? Well, a nickel is 5, so I can use that. And that gives me 2 cents left, and I know that I make 2 cents by using 2 pennies, so there we go. And we have nothing left that we have to make. So 1 quarter, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies. All right, that's it for this, guys. Have a great rest of the day. I can't wait to see you on Monday. Make sure you're being good for the sub and you're getting your work done.